Terix Biochar for gardens has unique physical characteristics, making it a valuable amendment in soils and in pots. In addition, this biochar is produced by pyrocal from used wooden packaging that would otherwise go to landfill. The microscopic honeycomb structure of biochar acts like a sponge, helping to hold moisture and nutrients and make them available for plant roots for much longer than a growing media without biochar. The fine pores in that honeycomb structure also provides the ideal habitat for soil microbes, creating an active, vibrant soil for vigorous root growth. Now, there's no doubt that Terix Biochar for gardens is extremely beneficial when simply added to garden soils. However, there is a way that gardeners can turbocharge, or rather biocharge their Terix Biochar for even better results when added to their soil. Biocharging simply means adding moisture, organic matter, nutrients and microbes to your biochar before it's dug in. And the most effective way to do this is with compost, either in a closed bin or an open heat system. It's a pretty simple process. Simply add around 10% biochar per volume of compost to your heap or bin. This can be done as raw materials are being added or later during the decomposition process. Studies have shown that biochar will reduce greenhouse gas emissions normally released from the heap as it breaks down. Most importantly, the biocharged mixture of compost and biochar will improve both the physical characteristics of the soil, that is structure, aeration and water holding capacity, and nutrient availability of the soil by encouraging microbial life to convert organic matter into nutrients. When your biocharged compost is mature, simply incorporate into the soil at a depth of 5 to 15 centimetres depending on the use of the bed. You'll be able to plant into your biocharged bed in a week or two. Just allow your soil time to settle a bit. Incorporating Terix Biochar for gardens, together with other good gardening practices, will improve the output from your productive patch and enhance the beauty of your ornamental gardens for years to come.